Hello, and welcome to this overview of how artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming language testing in today's educational landscape. In this video, we will explore the benefits and challenges of using AI in language assessment tools, and how these technologies are shaping the way we evaluate language skills. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how AI is making language assessment more efficient, individualized, and adaptive, while also recognizing the challenges that come with these advancements. To begin, let's talk about what we mean by AI in language testing. AI refers to the use of computer algorithms that can learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. In language testing, AI is applied to assess different skills, such as speaking, writing, reading, and listening. It can analyze vast amounts of data, provide real-time feedback, and help create more tailored learning experiences for students. Many tools and platforms, such as Duolingo English Test, SpeechAce, and Grammarly, use AI to evaluate a wide range of language competencies. These AI-powered assessments often use natural language processing, or NLP, which allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This is what enables AI tools to analyze a student's written essay, or even evaluate spoken responses for fluency, pronunciation, and grammar. Now, let's move on to the benefits of using AI for language assessment. AI is revolutionizing language testing by offering several key advantages. One of the biggest benefits of AI in language testing is efficiency. Traditional assessments, especially those involving speaking and writing, can be time-consuming for human assessors. AI, however, can instantly evaluate responses, allowing for quicker turnaround times. This efficiency is particularly beneficial in large-scale testing environments, where hundreds or even thousands of students need to be assessed simultaneously. Automated scoring reduces the workload on educators and allows them to focus more on supporting students rather than spending hours grading. Another significant advantage is adaptive testing. AI has the ability to adjust the difficulty of questions in real time based on a student's responses. This means that each student receives a personalized test that matches their level of proficiency. Adaptive testing ensures that students are neither bored by questions that are too easy nor overwhelmed by questions that are too difficult. It provides a more accurate measure of a student's true abilities, helping both students and educators better understand where support is needed. AI can also provide highly individualized feedback. Unlike traditional assessments that offer generic comments, AI-based systems can analyze each learner's strengths and weaknesses in detail. For example, an AI tool might indicate that a student's grammar is strong, but they need to work on their pronunciation or vocabulary range. This level of personalized feedback allows students to focus on specific areas for improvement and track their progress over time. Human assessors, despite their best intentions, can sometimes bring unintentional biases into the scoring process. Factors such as accents, handwriting, or even personal opinions can impact the fairness of assessments. AI, when properly trained, can help reduce these biases by scoring consistently according to predetermined criteria. This can be especially important in high-stakes testing environments, where fairness and reliability are crucial. AI also makes language testing scalable. With AI, it's possible to administer tests to large groups of learners at once without compromising the quality of assessment. This scalability is particularly beneficial in educational institutions, online courses, and certification programs that need to assess language skills across a diverse and large student population. While AI offers many benefits, it also presents a range of challenges that need to be addressed to ensure that AI-based language assessments are fair, effective, and ethical. Although AI can help reduce human biases, It's important to note that AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data used to train an AI system contains biases, those biases can be perpetuated in the assessment results. For example, if an AI system is trained primarily on speech samples from native English speakers, it may struggle to accurately assess non-native speakers with diverse accents. Ensuring fairness in AI assessments requires careful selection and validation of training data to make sure it represents the diversity of test takers. Another challenge is the lack of human judgment in AI assessments. Language is nuanced, and assessing it involves more than just evaluating grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Human assessors are able to consider factors such as creativity, cultural context, and the appropriateness of language use, which are difficult for AI to fully grasp. While AI can handle more objective aspects of language assessment, it may miss these subtleties that require a deeper understanding of human communication. AI-based language testing tools are also subject to technical limitations. Poor audio quality, background noise, or issues with internet connectivity can all impact the accuracy of AI assessments, particularly for speaking tests. Additionally, AI systems may struggle with dialectal variations, idiomatic expressions, or complex sentence structures that are not part of their training data. These technical challenges can affect the reliability of the assessment, leading to inaccurate evaluations of a student's language skills. Privacy is another important concern when it comes to AI in language testing. AI tools often require access to students' personal data, including audio recordings, written responses, and other identifying information. Ensuring that this data is stored securely and used ethically is crucial to protect students' privacy. Institutions and developers need to be transparent about how data is collected, used, and protected, and ensure compliance with relevant data protection regulations. Lastly, there is the issue of dependence on technology. Not all students have equal access to the internet, devices, or a quiet space to take an online test. This digital divide can lead to inequities in language assessment. While AI can offer many advantages, it's important to remember that access to the necessary technology is not universal, and reliance on AI could disadvantage students without access to reliable technological resources. To make the most of AI in language assessment while minimizing its challenges, there are a few best practices to consider. One effective approach is to use AI as a support tool rather than a replacement for human assessors. AI can handle the initial evaluation, providing objective scores and feedback, while human assessors can focus on reviewing responses that require more nuanced judgment. This combination helps ensure both efficiency and quality in language assessment. AI systems should be continuously trained and validated to ensure they are fair and accurate. This means regularly updating the training data to include diverse speech samples and language varieties, and involving language experts to review and refine the system's performance. It is also essential to be transparent with students about how AI-based assessments work. Students should understand how their responses are being evaluated and what criteria are being used. Transparency helps build trust in the assessment process and allows students to feel more comfortable with AI-based testing. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing language testing by making assessments more efficient, adaptive, and personalized. It offers significant benefits in terms of scalability, unbiased scoring, and individualized feedback. However, it also comes with challenges, such as potential biases, lack of human judgment, technical limitations, and privacy concerns. By using AI thoughtfully, combining it with human oversight, ensuring fairness, and being transparent, we can harness its potential to create better, more equitable language assessments. Thank you for joining us for this overview of AI in language testing. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into how AI is changing the landscape of language assessment and the opportunities and challenges it presents.